Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 39 for which I have used DK special yarn from Magic Needles with color Fuschia and its color code is 1827. This pattern requires multiples of 4 plus 3 stitches, but in the blanket we are having multiples of 4 plus 2 so that one stitch can be adjusted at the end of the row. In the pattern 2 I am having multiples of 4 plus 2. I am going to adjust accordingly. So to begin with, I am going to begin normally with my usual standing twisted double crochet as the very first stitch, and then I am going to skip 2 and make DC V stitch here. In this DC V stitch we are making double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet all in the same stitch. Again we are going to make DC V stitch, but we are going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the fourth we will make DC V stitch. Skip 3 in the fourth. That is why we have taken multiples of 4 stitches. So continue the pattern. Skip 3 DC V stitch, skip 3 DC V stitch in every fourth stitch. I shall meet you at the end over here. I have come to the end of the first row. So here I am left with 2 stitches. I am going to skip the stitch before the last one and make one double crochet here. So this is the small adjustment we are making in this pattern because we are having fixed number of DCs upon which we need to work the given pattern. Turn your work. Again start with a standing double crochet, chain 1, and now we are going to make front post double crochets on the DCs holding the V stitch, like on the DCs, that is V stitch DCs. So the first front post double crochet here, then skip the next 2 chains and front post double crochet in the next DC. So in between these 2 sets of front post double crochets, that is, then we are going to make the next set. Before that we need to make 2 chains. Again front post double crochet behind the post of the next 2 DCs holding the chain 2. So this is how it will look. This is the front side, chain 2, so continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. We have come to the end of row 2. Now chain 1 and make the last DC here. Turn your work. Your standing double crochet, standing twisted standalone double crochet is the very first one. Then you are going to make DC V stitch between the 2 front posts. So here in between this you are now going to make the DC V stitch. DC V stitch in this pattern is double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. So simply make DC V stitch between the front posts of the last row. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. I've come to the end of this row and I'm going to place my last DC on the last stitch here. Now I'm going to complete the pattern for the blanket. Otherwise, individually if you work this pattern, it will look like this, where the DC rows are the wrong side rows and the front post rows are the right side rows. So to a certain extent the pattern is reversible. Only thing is the pattern will look different on the front, the reverse side and the right side. I shall finish the DC row and get back to you. So make one DC on every DC and make 2 DCs in chain 2 spaces. I've completed the DC row here. So the number of DCs are same as the number of DCs that I started with. So this is how the pattern will look. So this is the right side. Where you have the front post done, that is the right side as per the pattern instructions. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a nice day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in yet another video. Have a great day. Bye for now.